Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the Smart Panel on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. First of all, we're gonna have to enable this feature in settings. To do that, swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon. To open settings menu, scroll down to special function. Here you're gonna have to find the Smart Panel tile and tap on it. Then switch on the Smart Panel. And the Smart Panel is basically something that lets you access your apps quickly just by swiping them from this bar that is hanging on the side of your display. By default, you'll find it right here in the middle of the right side of your device's display, and here you can open windows on your device. You can either simply open an app quickly using this panel, or you can also open it in a floating window by holding your finger down on it and placing it on your screen. You can edit the Smart Panel by swiping to the bottom of the apps list and tapping Edit. Then you can select which apps you want to remove from the panel and which ones you want to add to it. Besides, you can also add some tools to this panel, like scanning, power boost, floating window, etc. Once you're done, just tap done. And lastly, if you don't like this position for your panel, you can just hold this tiny gray stripe on top of your Smart Panel and drag it somewhere else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.